শুক্রবার বিধানসভা অধিবেশনে যাওয়ার পথে বিধায়ক সুদীপ রায় বর্মনকে আটক করে সড়ক অবরোধকারী টিএসএফ কর্মীরা। সেখানে রোমান হরফে ককবরক চালু করার পক্ষে নিজের অভিমত ব্যক্ত করেন কংগ্রেস বিধায়ক সুদীপ রায় বর্মন। বামফ্রন্ট সরকার এই দাবিকে পাত্তা দেয়নি। বর্তমান সরকারও এই ব্যাপারে কোনো রকম পদক্ষেপ গ্রহণ করছে না বলে প্রতিক্রিয়া ব্যক্ত করেন সুদীপ রায় বর্মন।
You see, the present government doesn't have the will to give recognition to the legitimate demand of indigenous people. They have been demanding since long. Our party too has been demanding since long that we support Roman script as a script for Kokborok language. But this government is reluctant to adopt the Roman script.
Sir, so today in the assembly, will you speak for us?
I have already spoken last time also. Obviously, I am the only person who is speaking in favor of this Kokborok language.
Last time you had raised this issue.
Absolutely, I had raised, and other legislators unfortunately were silent on this matter.
Even the Tripura legislators were silent on it.
Obviously, people have seen it. I am the lone MLA of the Congress party, and our party has been voicing this demand, and we completely support this demand. It is a sentiment of the indigenous people, and not only sentiment, it has got a legitimate viewpoint also, like pronunciation, scientific pronunciation, and earlier two language commission, Bhasha commission, had proposed that Roman script be adopted for Kokborok language.